Hello friends, in this video we will learn slogans on save water. So come on, let's begin. No water, no life. Water is life. Treat it right. Save water and water will save you. Do the earth a favor. Be the water saver. Save water for your bright future. Water is life. Save water. Save planet. Save life. It's no fun to let the water run. A drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Bright future begins with clean water. One drop of water can save a life. Water is worth for the life on the earth. Think before wasting water in the sink. Slow the flow. Save water. Put a stop to the water drop. Save water today. Use it tomorrow. No water, no life. No blue, no green. A drop of today can save a river of tomorrow. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. Imagine one day without water. Water is priceless. Save this treasure with pleasure. Be a water hero. Life starts with water. Waste water today. Live in a desert tomorrow. Every drop counts. Water. Save it before you need it. Life is dependent on water, and saving water is dependent on you. A drop harvested is a crop harvested. Gloomy or gay, save water every day. Today's rainwater will be your life savior of tomorrow. The less you use water, the more you save water. The biggest gift you can give to coming generation is water. Water, water everywhere. Try to save it if you care. Save water before it's too late. Leaks make our future bleak. No water, no earth, no life. Conserve water, conserve life. Every drop of water matters because every drop has new life. One goal, one passion. Water conservation. Save water for mankind. Close tap. Don't be blind. Every drop in the ocean counts. Drip drop. This kind of cycle must be stopped. Save water for your children. water and tell others to do it. Hope you like the video, friends. For educational and entertaining videos, please subscribe to our channel Fun with Toys and Books. Thank you.